Hello everyone. Happy August 27th. Today we celebrate thoughtful giving, creative flair, and the flavors of fall. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Just Because Day. A day for spontaneous kindness and joy. A perfect gift could be a surprise care package, a cheerful note, or flowers for no reason at all. What's something random you've done for fun? Share it with us. Next, it's National Pots de Crème Day. A celebration of rich, creamy indulgence. A thoughtful gift could be a dessert-making kit, ceramic dessert cups, or a box of French-inspired treats. Ever made it from scratch? Share your tips below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Bat Night. A fun and educational event to appreciate these unique creatures. A great gift could be a night tour ticket, a bat plushie, or a bat conservation donation. Ever spotted one in the wild? Let's hear your story. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!